Hello everyone. Today I will discuss some important sentence structures that will be very helpful in your writing task too. So you can use these connectors in order to get higher band score and improve your good efficiency in your writing sentence structures. So first connectors is owing to and second one is due to. So let's start with a sentence. The meaning of those connectors are because of. So first sentence is due to advancement in technology. Many people depend on the machine work. Many people depend on the machine work. But the reason is advancement in technology. So when you use due to, that means you have to express any reason related to the sentence. So due to advancement in technology, many people depend on machine work. So second sentence is many people depend on the machine work due to advancement in technology. That's the same, but just last phrase comes into the first and due to in the middle. So you can use the due to in the two ways, in the starting and as well as in the middle. But when you start due to any sentence with the help of due to, you have to put the comma in the second phrase. So next third sentence is owing to and due to meaning same, but you can use any word in the writing task too. If you use due to one in the body paragraph 1, you can use owing to sentence in the BP2. So third is owing to the less amenities in rural areas, many people move to the city. Why people move to the city? Because less amenities, less facilities in the rural areas. So fourth one is also same, many people move to the city owing to the less amenities in the rural areas. Just I have shown you how you can use these two connectors in the different way. So the important these expressions are mainly used to express any reason. Due to and owing to can come at the start or in the middle of a sentence. I already said you due to you can use in the writing sentence the first as well as in the middle. But when you start any sentence due to and owing to, you have to put the comma in the middle. So second sentence is point is the put comma in sentence start with due to and owing to. So you have to put the comma. So that's a main sentence structure when you use these connectors. So that's all, and thanks and happy learning. Please check also my other videos related to the sentence structure as well as the cue cards and follow-ups video. So thanks and happy learning. Thanks, and please subscribe my YouTube channel.